Good morning, all both of you. Only two students. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Let us wait for other students. The UTs are over or still going on?
Sir, over.
Today was the last one.
Yes, sir.
Which one was it today?
Hindi, sir. Hindi literature and grammar.
Okay. French is
Sir,
there?
today,
Yes. Yes, beta.
excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, today Asfa well has sent one message on the study room. Ma'am, sir, I want to ask what we have to do in that on that.
Who has sent a message?
Asfa and
About
Palak
what?
ma'am has replied on it.
You
Sir,
can,
it is
you
Right
can
now?
Hindi.
Right now or yesterday?
Sir,
yesterday, sir.
Beta, I don't have any idea about it. What she...
You can search the message Study Mangoli on the WhatsApp group. You will get the information.
Yes.
Please repeat.
On the search box, you can search on the message Study Mangoli. You will get the information. It is a competition. You can choose anyone.
Understood? Okay, beta, have we all started the chapter? In your class, have you started? Beta, have you started the chapter rounding numbers in this class? हमने chapter 10 start कर दिया. Have we started it yet or not? Abhiyan
I
beta.
think we have not started.
Abhiyan beta. You have not started?
Sir, which one?
Chapter 10, rounding numbers. Have we started it or not?
No, sir, in notebook we have not started.
No, in the book only. Have we started it in the book? We don't have to do it in the notebook.
No, sir.
बुक में भी स्टार्ट नहीं करा अभी?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so today we will start this chapter. Chapter 10, rounding numbers. It is a very simple chapter.
Sir, I know.
Okay, so we are starting with exercise 10.1. Question A, first part. This is 62. You have to round off the number 62 to the nearest 10. So 62 is the number. You will think of a multiple of 10 which is smaller than 62. 62 से छोटा 10 का multiple कौन सा है? 60 है. And 62 से बड़ा 10 का multiple कौन सा है? That is 70. The multiple of 10 which is greater than 62. It is 70. Now 62 is nearer to 60 or to 70. Which of the two numbers? 62 is nearer.
Sir, 60.
60 के ज्यादा पास में है. 62 is near to 60, more near to 60. That means 60 is the answer, not 70. So your answer will be 60. Can you all do like this? All the parts, you have to do all the parts.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am telling you the fifth part also.
Yes, sir. So we can only do in book.
Yes, in the book only. 785. The answer will be 790 because whenever the last digit is 5 or more than 5, then you have to move forward. When the last digit is 5 or more than 5, you will go to the next multiple of 10. अगर 5 से छोटा है last digit, you will go back. You will go to the previous multiple of 10. Okay. Got it? Start doing it, everyone.
Sir.
Yes, beta. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Done all the parts?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let others also complete. Do all the parts of question A, everyone.
Sir, the second part, it is written 75. Now 75 is near to 6, 70 also and 80 also. Now what we can do?
Beta, whenever the last digit is 5 or more than 5, then you will write the next multiple of 10, which is 80. Got it? 5 या 5 से बड़ा है तो आगे चले जाएंगे. Whenever it is less than 5, you will go back, go to the previous multiple. Got it? Abhiyan Duhan, understood?
Yes, sir.
Pardon? Why the attendance is so low today?
Sir, because today only students have done test and many of them are not in the classes.
They are taking rest because the tests are over today.
Yes, sir.
It was the last test, so they are taking rest. Okay.
Sir, on the group, anybody messaged that, sir, your link is not opening.
Joke.
Bhakti Khandelwal.
Joke of the year. It was Bhakti Khandelwal. Who's that? Who has messaged on the group?
Sir, Bhakti Khandelwal.
Sir, my all test was very good except him.
Except Hindi.
Yes, sir.
Why? Hindi में क्या हो गया?
Sir, I was knowing all answer, but then also the answer get wrong.
Okay.
Sir, because I have not sir, because I have read half one and I have written the answer. I have not read the full question, and
Oh,
because of that, my marks are
not reading the
affected.
question properly.
No, sir.
Okay. But avoid doing
And
these mistakes. Okay. It's good that you have done all the other tests well. Very good. Okay, so keep this in mistakes and learn from these mistakes. Whatever mistakes you do, you should learn. Okay.
Sir, in all the subject I got full or fit 2 marks cutted or 1 mark. But in Hindi I got 5 marks cut.
Okay. Next time you keep all these mistakes in mind and don't repeat them. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have done the exercise also.
Sir, done all.
Very good, beta.
Sir, I also done all.
Now we are starting with the B part. Okay. Question B. Any problem in any of the parts in this question A? It was very easy.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, last one.
Last one. The answer is 9,340. 9,340.
And sir, what is the answer of 11?
11th one, the answer is 2,560. Now, question B. I don't know why Bhakti was not able to join the meeting. Beta, you all, anyone of you, Simran, reply to Bhakti's message and tell her to try again. Question B. First part is 68. You have to round off to the nearest multiple of 100. Round off to nearest 100. Okay. How you can do this? Now, the multiple which is less than 68 and greater than 68. No, multiple which is greater than 68 is 100. Multiple of 100 which is greater than 68, it is 100 itself.
We have to do in book.
Yes, in the book. And the smaller one is 0. Don't write this. This is just to explain you. You don't have to write anything like this.
Okay, sir.
Just write the answer. So what will be your answer? This one is the previous multiple of 100 and this is the next multiple of 100. 68 is more near to the next one. 100 is the answer. So 100 is correct. 0 is wrong. Look at the second one also. 369. 369. 369 is the number. Previous multiple of 100, 300. Next multiple of 100, 400. So which is the answer? 400 is the correct one. This is wrong. 400 is your answer. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir. Sir, third one I cannot understand.
125. Answer 100.
Two.
125. Previous one. Previous multiple of 100. Next multiple of 100, 200. So answer will be 100. Why? Because 125 is more near to 100. आपको कौन सा digit को देखना है? You have to see the second digit. अगर ये जो second digit है, if it is less than 5, you will go back. And if the second digit is 5 or more than 5, you will go to the next multiple of 100. Got it? ये वाली digit को देखना है, second वाली. Clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, please tell once again.
The number is 125.
Yes, sir.
Now, what you have to do? You have to, in this number, always, if you are searching for, writing the nearest multiple of 100, you have to look for the second digit. Second digit is 2. If the second digit is less than 5, अगर आपका second digit 5 से छोटा है, तो आप पीछे वाले multiple पे चले जाएंगे 100. And if the second digit is 5 or more than 5, 5 या उससे बड़ा है, then you will go to the next multiple. But in this case, the second digit is less than 5. So 100 is your answer, 200 is wrong. Clear? Is it clear now? Do all the parts.
Sir, if the last digit is less than 5, sir, what we will be do?
Go to the previous multiple. Last
Yes,
digit.
sir.
बेटा last digit से कोई मतलब नहीं है इस केस में.
Yes, sir.
Only the second digit matters, not the last.
Okay.
मतलब second last digit.
Yes, sir.
Second last digit को आपको देखना है. The digit which is at the 10th place. 10th place वाली digit को देखना है और उसके according you have to decide. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, ये नहीं बताया सर कि अगर वो 5 से छोटी हुई सेकेंड लास्ट डिजिट तो सर हम क्या कर देंगे क्वेश्चन में?
बेटा बता तो रहा हूँ, लास्ट डिजिट से कोई मतलब नहीं है. You have to just look at the digit which is at the 10th place. लास्ट डिजिट चाहे 5 से छोटी हो या बड़ी हो, does not
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have done the B exercise.
Sir, I have also done the B exercise full.
Very good बेटा. Full B exercise. अच्छा B, question B.
Sir, I have done all of B part.
Very good, beta. Let's start doing the C one. Do you want me to discuss the answers?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So C. Question C. First part. Round off to nearest 1000. 5, 6, 7, 9. Can you tell me what is the digit at the hundreds place? जब आपको thousands round off to nearest 1000 करना है, you have to look at the digit
Sir,
is at
600.
the hundreds place. Hundreds place पर क्या digit है?
Sir, 6.
6 है. So this is less than 5 or greater than 5?
Sir, greater.
Greater than 5 है तो फटाफट आंसर 6000 लिख दो.
Sir, 18.
इजी है या नहीं है? थाउजेंड्स नियरेस्ट 1000 पे अगर आपको राउंड ऑफ करना है, देन यू विल लुक एट द हंड्रेड्स प्लेस डिजिट. नियरेस्ट 100 पे करना है तो कौन से डिजिट को देखना चाहिए? टेंस प्लेस वाले डिजिट को देखना चाहिए नियरेस्ट 100 पे अगर करना है राउंड ऑफ. एंड इफ यू हैव टू राउंड ऑफ टू नियरेस्ट 10, you will look at the ones place digit.
Sir, I have done this. Sir, we have also done this in previous class.
Yes.
Sir, but the way you are telling it, sir, it is some different.
It's different. Is it not easy? Is it
No, sir,
difficult?
it is easy, sir, but at that time we do with the another method.
Okay. So round off to nearest 1000, look at the hundreds place digit again. What is the digit at hundreds place? It is 0. 0 is obviously less than 5. So you will go to the previous multiple of 1000, which is 8000. आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे, पीछे चले जाएंगे. Look at one more part. Okay, two more I am telling you. 7th one and 8th one. 7th one, 17,528. Round off to nearest 1000. What is the digit at the hundreds place? Can you tell me the
Please
digit
mute
at the hundreds
yourself.
place? Tell me the digit at the hundreds place. What is the digit at the hundreds place? All of you. Are
Sir, 100. Sir,
is 5.
0.
5 is at the hundreds place in this 7th part.
5.
At the hundreds place. So answer this digit is equal to 5. So whenever the digit is 5 or greater than 5, you go to the next multiple, 1000. So answer will be 18,000. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Question 8.
Yes, sir.
Question 8. It is 6,500. Again, the digit at the hundreds place is 5. तो जब भी hundreds place वाली digit 5 या उससे बड़ी होगी, you will go to the next multiple of 1000, which is 7,000. Answer. Are you getting my point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now do all the parts.
Sir, done.
Very good. Keep on doing, do all the parts. Okay, so now we are ending the class here. The time is over. Okay, all of you, we will meet tomorrow now. We will start with the new exercise. Okay, bye.